I'm Paul Briscoe. I'm the project manager for the RF project that we've had based here at Mexborough. I work for the Ideal Stelrad Group. The Ideal Stelrad Group is a European-wide company. We've got 6 manufacturing plants throughout Europe. We are market leaders in boilers and radiators as a heating business throughout the UK and Europe. The National Distribution Centre, which is based here at Mexborough, is 150,000 square feet. That's quite a sizable warehouse. And we distribute from here boilers and radiators to our UK customer base.
My name's Nick Waddell. I'm an NDC shift manager. We can take up to 105 deliveries in a week through our goods and receipt area, and approximately 27 deliveries going out to customers per day, delivering up to 1,200 deliveries to customers per week. We
had a paper-based system, so basically everybody is recording on a pick list what they've picked, what they've put away. They do a little tick. That was put back onto a controller's desk who might pick it up in the next couple of hours and update SAP. So consequently SAP was not up to date.
The old system, which we would never want to go back, was a nightmare. It was laborious, it required certain things to happen, a certain amount of areas to be available and locations to be available, and also a lot of clerical requirements, people having to do a lot of paper chasing.
We realised that we really did want to do something about this and improve our pick accuracy. The project solution involved a full end-to-end system, starting with production in the factory here at Mexborough, the radiators, through to receipt into the warehouse, receipt of the boilers made at Hull, the put away, the replenishment of pick faces and the picking out of those pick faces onto the trucks to our customer base.
This is our goods inwards area where we receive all our product. Up to 105 deliveries a week we receive. Approximately 45 deliveries a week from our factory unit across the road, and the balance of the deliveries from our 2 external European-based manufacturing units. Here we have a delivery that's been delivered into the NDC this afternoon, and what we will do with that, we will check that off against the paperwork and then we'll electronically scan that into the system. The beauty being is that what we'll do on that one is it will be instantly available for planning, and therefore we can use that for customer deliveries. What Paul will do is use his HHT live system, and the HHT system will now tell him where to put that stock. So Paul will just scan the barcodes on the 2 labels and confirm the label to the gun. And now what Paul's got is he's got confirmation of where that product's got to be located. The product is actually going to go to this location here, and that's the system-based location. So what Paul will now do is bring the pallets across on his forklift truck and actually place them into there and actually validate them to the system. And what Paul will then do is confirm using this barcode on the system. And this is the check barcode that he will use to confirm the product that he's got into the computer system. So once he's made his truck safe, he'll bring his forks down, get off his truck, use his HHT and actually scan that location using the HHT, and that's the process complete. It's instant.
When we were looking for a supplier to come into this venture with us, we had a number of things we were looking at, and the usual beauty parade of people keen to come in with us. What was key for us was a one-stop shop. And within the one-stop shop, what I'm talking about there is a package, which is we will have somebody who's got the SAP skills, somebody who's got the ability to supply us with the right kind of hardware, somebody who has hopefully a rapid software development tool so we can get things up and running quite quickly, project management and help desk support, and somebody additionally who can help us with our European operation as well, somebody who's scalable. And Zetes seemed to fit the bill. What was interesting was that when Zetes joined the table, if you like, with their experience from other industries, other implementations, was that the end solution was fantastic. We achieved a really good process and transactions that were extremely elegant and operate with a minimum of fuss. By working closely with their expertise, I'm sure we picked the right equipment. We selected Motorola's 9060 units, handhelds, and we selected Zebra's QL420 RF printers with Motorola access points. The transactions that we've got working, that they do everything with a minimum of fuss, but they do achieve maximum result. And behind that, there's a help desk service which have provided valuable backup should any damage occur to equipment, that kind of thing.
What the replenishment system we got with the new RF system was an electronic-based system that we can see, we can manage and we can prioritise, which means I'm moving the right product at the right time to the right place for my pickers, where before it was more luck than judgment.
With the benefits of hindsight on this project in terms of Zetes' performance, we're extremely happy first of all with the SAP consultancy. We're extremely happy with the RF survey and installation. We're very happy with the equipment that was put on the table in front of us for us to select from and the equipment choice that we made. Additionally, we were very happy with the backup service provided by the help desk service. If I had to pick something that is maybe an area for improvement, it would probably be project management. Zetes did respond to that, however, by putting a project manager in place for us, and that worked pretty well. We feel that Zetes definitely understood our business early on in the design phase. They'd worked with similar solutions with other customers. They brought a lot to the table for us to consider. For this particular project, we needed to set ourselves some return on investment parametrics in order to get the buy-in from senior management. Those parametrics were mainly involved with stock accuracy, efficiency gains, and particularly pick accuracy. Anyone in this game will tell you that it's very important to make sure you pick the right product and get it to the customer on time. It costs a lot of money to put that right, and loss of business. So against those parameters we set ourselves, we gave ourselves 12 months to achieve complete return on investment, and I'm glad to say we achieved that with a little bit to spare.
Our picking accuracy has improved with the use of our RF system. The target for this year was to halve the claims that we received into the business in 2006. We actually achieved that target within 5 months, which is a dramatic improvement and a great success for our business. I don't think anybody would want to go back to the old system. Everybody likes the new system, the benefits that it brings to the business, the accuracy that we achieve, the ease of using it. Everybody's happy with it. I don't know of anybody that would want to go back.
The project's been extremely successful. We've hit our return on investment goals, and senior management have been extremely impressed with that. So much so that we've had no difficulty in immediately, if you like, shrink wrapping, cloning that solution, and recently we've installed that at our new Hull warehouse, which has only just been commissioned. From
the initial meeting we had with Zetes, I was obviously wanting to see that they could deliver an improvement in our replenishment system and throughout the warehouse with the rest of the operations, and I'm more than happy with what I've received. I've been happy to be work through the project, and I can certainly say from my side it's delivered way past my expectations, and I'm happy to work with the system as a shift manager now. Having had our successful project here at the National Distribution Centre at Mexborough, plus the rollout at Hull, we're a European company, Zetes are a European company. We're very comfortable that we can roll out this solution or further adaptations of this solution throughout our European businesses, should we have the opportunity to do so.